fast. Tuxedo, try, fold, ephemera pocket. Fold into thirds. Top, front, corner, fold it down into a triangle, leave a little bit of space. The far right, do the same thing. The bottom, you're going to fold up. I did not like the way the two-sided paper looked, so I completely did it the opposite way so that the green was the outside and the pink was the outside, and I liked it much better. Now the triangles, you can move them however you want. So you can do one in, one out, both in, both out, whatever you think looks good. I did one in, one out. I inked it. I cut a hole or punched a hole for like a little envelope pocket. If you fold the paper in half to crease it just at the top, that's easier. You glue the outsides of this part that you folded up. And now I'm taking a piece of paper and I'm marking it. And then I'm drawing a line to connect them. We're making a triangle pocket, but we're folding it. So it's an actual pocket. So I make it bigger than it's supposed to be. I fold the edges in, and then I'm going to glue the edges down. Make sure you trim the corners and put them at an angle, fold them, glue this outside part. So now you really have a true pocket. Instead of, many of us will just glue down paper and it goes, sometimes the glue gets stuck. You've really got to loosen the glue. This is an actual pocket. Now this piece, I am going to cut a square and I'm only going to glue the left and the bottom. So you can slide anything in it. Now this is an example of two pockets, which went real fast. If you could put two pockets, there's so many options you can do with this. That's why I love it. So I was really messing around with the paper quite a bit. This is what I decided to put as a pocket because I want something tall to be able to go here if it wants. And then I decided to put a pocket on a pocket to really incorporate the colors and make it look cool. So now I'm going to make this cool journal corner. So take each of your corners, measure what would be the triangle, fold it in half so you're cutting out technically a square. Because then what you're going to do is you're going to glue down the two bottom sides of the triangle, because now you have a secret pocket. And it's actually just like a piece of journal paper. And it's hidden, so it's very cool under the corners. But here's your pocket. Just love it. It's a great idea. So this is how it ended up. Tons of pockets, tons of room. Looks beautiful. Try it. Check it out. I just put a few pieces of ephemera in to see. Check out my other videos. My Bippity Boppity book's about to come out.